everybody, thanks for tuning into today's video. Doing a 5-day forecast today, and the heat is certainly going to be on over the next few days, particularly over the weekend. It's going to get very warm, in fact going to get hot across particularly England and Wales. Saturday, Sunday, heat, as I say, it really will be on. So we'll look at that in a moment, but before I get on with the video, just talk about the advertising. There'll usually be a video ad over on my web videos at GadsWebBiz.com. Please play those video ads. You'll be supporting GadsWebBiz.com by doing that. Other thing I want to talk about is the websites I'm using for this video. We've got the Met Office, which is we're using for the radar picture, and then we've got the charts from weathercentral.de and weatheroutlook.com. We'll be using those charts as well. You can find all of those websites on my links page. Just click on the links page and you'll see those websites. You'll be able to go through to those sites and see everything that I'm using in this video for yourself. So this is the radar picture, the current radar picture. We've got this swathe of very heavy torrential rain down here across these southern and southwestern parts of the country. It's all going very much as planned, with the heaviest rain tending to be on the western side. You notice that the rain becomes more broken and patchier once we get onto this southeastern coast of England. So this whole lot of area of rain and heavy rain, torrential rain with risk of thunder, is gradually going to be moving northwards and eastwards through the course of today. It's going to be taking heavy rain, particularly on the western side. There will be some rain on this eastern and southeastern side, but the heaviest rain will probably always be in the west. So through the course of today, we're going to find that band of rain moving northwards across England and Wales and into Northern Ireland, into Northern England through the course of this afternoon. As I say, some of the heaviest of the rain will be on the west side. All areas, though, will be at risk of some heavy bursts of rain through the course of this afternoon. In the south and the southwest, the rain will ease off and it'll brighten up a little bit with a few showers coming through into the far southwest. It's windy as well with this rain. Strong southeasterly winds or southerly winds, and then as the rain clears, the winds go southwesterly and may get quite squally down on the southwestern coast. Scotland staying out of trouble throughout the course of today. Temperatures very warm despite this heavy rain. It's unusual really, this situation. Temperatures up to around 23, 24, maybe 25 degrees. 25 is 77 Fahrenheit, so it's quite warm and humid despite the fact that it's wet and it's windy. Now, as we go through tonight, we're going to find that heavy rain continuing northwards to affect Scotland. So Scotland gets rain tonight, and then further south we'll find showers around some of the western and southern coast with squally rain probably coming back through Ireland into the Irish Sea coast of Wales and southwestern England. Elsewhere, though, it's going to become mainly dry through the course of the night. As the winds go around to the southwest, it will turn a little bit cooler, a little bit fresher, with temperatures down to around 17 Celsius in the cities, in London, and possibly a bit lower than that in some other areas, down to around 13, 14, 15 degrees. So a warm night still, but just feeling a little bit cooler, a little bit fresher than has been the case. So looking ahead at the charts, and this is really the situation through the course of tonight and into tomorrow. This area of low pressure is out to west of the country. These weather fronts moving northwards and eastwards, taking away the persistent rain, and then we're into this southwesterly flow across the country through the course of night. This is actually the facts chart for midnight tonight. So we'll take that rain northwards through Scotland. It'll be clearing out of the way across northern Scotland by tomorrow morning, and then we're into this west to southwesterly wind, and then we're looking at sunshine and showers ready for tomorrow. Some of those showers will be heavy in the west. Not many showers at all going through to central and eastern parts of the country. There'll be mainly dry weather with some sunny spells. Later on, we'll start to find the showers merging into longer spells of rain in the west as this area of low pressure begins to develop out in the Atlantic and moves further towards us. Now, winds are still from the south or southwest, so it's going to be another quite warm day with temperatures around 22, 23 degrees. So over low 70s Fahrenheit. It's a bit cooler and fresher than today, but it's still warm really, and it's still warmer than it should be, warmer than average for the time of year. Now, as we go into Friday, that area of low pressure will be moving up from the south and the southwest. It'll be taking a band of heavy rain moving across the country. So I think we're all going to get some rain on Friday. Some of that rain will be on the heavy side, as I say. Perhaps not too much in this southeastern corner again, and we'll start to drag up some very warm air from France, I think, in the southeast by the end of the afternoon. So temperatures possibly pushing up to around 26, 27 degrees in the southeast by the end of Friday afternoon. That's 81 Fahrenheit. But generally a lot of cloud around on Friday, and there will be some quite heavy rain, particularly a focus for England Wales in the morning, and then probably moving northwards in towards northern England, Scotland and Northern Ireland for the afternoon. And Friday will be quite a humid day again across many parts of the country. Temperatures around 22, 23 degrees, generally under that rain. But as I say, in the southeast, it could push up those temperatures to around 27 by the end of the afternoon. And then as we move through in towards Saturday, we're going to find this weather front becoming strung out really across the country, and that's really the dividing line between the warm and humid air that's going to be generally over the country and the very, very hot air that's trying to come into this southeastern corner. Now, temperatures on Saturday across East Anglia and Southeast England could get up to 30, maybe 31 degrees. That's 86 to 88 Fahrenheit in the far southeast. There'll be a lot of sunshine down there, and it'll be mainly dry. But elsewhere, we're going to have a lot of cloud around, and that's just going to spoil things, particularly through northern England, the Midlands, Wales, southwestern England, where we've got this trailing weather front. There'll be a lot of cloud around. There could be a few bits and pieces of rain around as well along that weather front. So it should be generally quite a weak weather front, I think. Actually, it will be dying down. And further north, it's a case of sunny spells and a few showers for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Now, this weather front is a bit of a nuisance as we go through into Sunday, because this really is marking the dividing line, as I say, between the very hot weather that's coming into the southeast and the warm and humid but not as intensely hot weather that's behind it. Now, this facts chart shows that the cold front will be lying across East Anglia and southeastern England as we go into Sunday, but there's a good chance, I think, that front will actually be further north and west, and may even push back northwards in towards northern England through the course of Sunday. If that happens, then the whole of England and Wales is going to have a very hot day with a lot of sunshine. So, bit of uncertainty about Sunday really, but certainly for East Anglia, South East England, it will be very hot. Temperatures up to around 32, maybe 33 degrees. 33 is 92 Fahrenheit, so very hot in the southeast of the country. And a couple of pointers to look out for over the weekend. I just want to quickly mention this. If temperatures get up to 32 degrees on Sunday, on Saturday or Sunday, actually, then that is going to be the hottest August temperature since 2003, would you believe? It's been a long while since we've had a hot August, so yes, it'll be the hottest August day since 2003 if temperatures get to 32 Celsius. If temperatures get above 33 Celsius, that will be the hottest day, generally the hottest day overall since 2006. So there's just a couple of pointers to look out for as we go through the weekend. But certainly the southeast in for a very hot weekend, very hot on Sunday. And then it's a case of where this weather front is as to whether that heat gets up towards, say, Wales, the Midlands, East Anglia, Lincolnshire, that sort of area. Bit of uncertainty about that. I think it probably will, so I would expect the Midlands have quite a hot day on Sunday as well, with temperatures maybe up to around 30 degrees. For Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, though, we will have these weather fronts, so it's still quite a showery situation up in the north. Doesn't really settle down, and temperatures will be that bit cooler. Though even for Scotland, temperatures are still warm at around 22 or 23 degrees. Just going on to the charts from Weather Central, just to see the generic charts from Weather Central, I should say, just to see what happens then as we go through into Sunday and Monday. This is the chart for Sunday. As I say, we've got a weather front line across the central parts of the country. Whereabouts that front is, it is important because it's marking the divide line between the very hot weather to the southeast and the less hot, but still very warm weather to the northwest. Now, by the time we get through to Monday, that front will have cleared away, I think, and then we'll be looking at a little ridge across the country, actually. So Monday, probably quite a settled day with a fair amount of sunny spell. But what you'll notice on Monday is that those temperatures will be edging back down again So we're probably seeing maximums of around 27, 28 degrees in the southeast and around 21, 22 degrees in Scotland. And that will be the trend then as we go through next week, I think, with the temperatures sliding away and it turns cooler day by day through the course next week. So if you don't like the heat, hang on for next week because I think it will start to cool down. Finally, having a quick look at the charts from weatheroutlook.com. This is the situation today. I've got the rain in the south. It'll be working north. Some of that rain will be heavy as we go through the day, particularly in the west, but there will be some heavier rain at times in the east as well. Then as we go into Thursday, well, a lot of dry weather in central and east parts of the country, but still showers in the west, and later on we'll start to find some longer spells of rain developing in the west and the southwest as that next weather system comes up. On Friday, well, a lot of rain around across many parts of the country, but the southeast probably having a lot of dry weather through the course of the afternoon at least. Well, maybe some rain in the southeast on Friday morning, but then it'll dry up in the afternoon. Becoming very warm in the southeast with temperatures up to around 27, 28 degrees, but otherwise we're in the low 20s. Hot day for many of us on Saturday. We'll have a weather front trailing across the central areas, making it cloudy and cooler, but in the southeast, very hot, temperatures up to around 30, 31 degrees. Gets even hotter as we go into Sunday in the southeast with temperatures possibly up to 32, 33 degrees. But then by Sunday, by Monday I should say, those temperatures started to slide back down again as cooler weather begins to drift in from the northwest, although still mainly dry with a lot of sunshine. So that's it. In summary, we're going to see a lot of rain today and more rain through Thursday into Friday. And then over the weekend it turns very warm, hot, very hot in the southeast. Temperatures possibly up to 90 Fahrenheit in the southeast on Sunday. After that, temperatures slowly start to slide back down. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.